Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, are you students or are you a businessman who are working in a company? Of course, both of you will usually do what is called as presentations. Presentations is sometimes easy and sometimes difficult. But for most, it's gonna be very difficult when you have to present something in different language. But the most difficult part is not about the body of the presentations, but it's about to start the presentations. That's why today we will discuss about successful start in English presentations. When you start a presentation, don't forget to remember three things. The first is the introductions, the outline, and you should provide what is called as questions policy. When you start the introductions of the presentation, you may start by greeting the audiences by mentioning good morning or assalamualaikum or any other ways of greeting. You can also start by it's my pleasure to welcome the guests. Then you have to follow by introducing yourself. I'm blah blah blah. And don't forget, by the end of the presentation, you will know how. It means that you have to mention the significance of attending your presentations. Instead of introducing you yourself as the presenter inside the presentation, don't forget to introduce your topic. You can mention some expressions like, the topic of my presentations is about, I plan to say few words about, I'm going to talk about, the subject of my talk is about. The next one, you have to mention that you will have a good plan of presentations by providing outline. For example, if you have divided your presentations into three parts, introductions, discussions, and conclusions, you can say, my talk will be in three parts. The first part will be the introductions of blah blah blah. After that, the second is about the discussions about blah blah blah. And the last but not least will be about the conclusions of my presentations. Of course, the audiences has the interest to ask questions. That's why you have to give a chance for them to ask questions. You can say you are allowed to interrupt if you have any questions, or you provide the questions and answer sessions at the end of the presentations by mentioning, I would be happy to accept 3 questions at the end of my presentations. So those are the expressions when you would like to have a successful start in English presentations. You may try by yourself. Keep learning. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.